Make a change by helping your car's engine perform efficiently with the new air filter from Filterheads.com.
To access the air filter, first open the hood. Use the hood prop rod to support the hood. The air filter is located here. There are 2 hex bolts securing the housing. We used a 10mm nut driver to remove the hex bolt. Be aware that the bolts only need to be loosened, not removed, in order to access the air filter. Pull the hose off the housing. Lift the housing. If needed, use some force. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AF9010 filter into the housing. The AF9010 has a corner that is slightly sharper than the other 3. This goes into the bottom right corner when facing the vehicle. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits. Once the filter is fully flush with the edges, close the housing. Reinstall the hex bolts. Slide the air hose back onto the filter housing. Remove the hood prop rod and close the hood. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.